Today, I'm going to tell you the story about my first property. And my first deal was my worst deal. I made all the mistakes and I lost it to foreclosure because I didn't know this one thing, which I'm going to tell you now.
My name is Dylan. This is my wife, Venta, and our partner in life and in love is our fiance, Mari. We are the Modern Prophets, and we welcome you to the Modern Prophets Academy.
Now, this first property I bought was way before I became a professional real estate investor and before I had any education. And in fact, all I had was the assumption that other people had told me, which was real estate investing is all about location, location, location. And the truth is, location is super important, but it's not nearly as important as cash flow. And the reason why cash flow is so important is that it means that you make more than you spend. And while you might be able to get a property and it might seem like a good deal even to lose a little bit each month, the problem is when the shit hits the fan and you can't afford it and you end up losing it. And that's why it's so important. It's so important to buy for cash flow, because even if the market happens to go down, it's okay. You can hold the property with your cash flow until you sell it at the time that you want to sell it. Now, I'm going to give you the top pro tip that I've figured out about cash flow, and that is luxury vacation rentals. Rentals are great when they can make more money than the mortgage, right? When they cash flow nicely. But when you get into Airbnb, just off the bat, you're going to be making around 30% more than you would from a long-term rental. And when you get into luxury vacation rentals, you can make way more. And I mean 5 to 10 times as much as your mortgage when you get into luxury vacation rentals. And the reason why is because there is a multiplier that you get when you enter a space with a big barrier of entry and when there's no competition. So that's my story. I hope you don't repeat my mistake that I made. I hope you can benefit from it.